Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got another round of this free Watch Face Tuesday that I think you're gonna like. So let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And today, yes, we got another fun watch face for you to check out. Now this watch face is going to be a everyday watch face. You can wear anytime, any day. It is not your dress up watch face, but a casual watch face. Now, the name of this watch face is called Times Now. And always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. When it's on, I like the flavor that this watch face brings. You got your day at the top, down at the bottom, you got your month and your date. You go back up to the top, you got your steps, you got your battery percentage info. You come down, you get your digital time and big bold numbers, nice and legible. And you come down, you get your heart rate, and you also get calories burned. This is not an interactive watch face, but this watch face, to be free, it really looks good. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know if you're going to download this one or if you already have. Let's check out watch face number two. Number two is called Het Fits. This watch face is pretty nice. Now, in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down in AOD mode. But when it's on, it has a really nice look. You get 3 dials. One is going to have your fitness information in it, your steps, and you also get one with your battery info, 12-hour time, and you get the day and the date. This is definitely a nice dress up and or dress down watch face. It is not interactive, but to be free, this is one that is worthy for a download. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed round 2 of Free Watch Face Tuesday. I will see you all at the next video. Make sure you subscribe.